is the Huawei Mate 16 Pro, the newest fresh phones from Huawei. Let's open it. This is the phone and includes one charging cable and one 88-volt supercharged adapter. Mate 16 Pro comes in 4 color options: black, white, green, and purple, the same as Mate 60. Pricing is set at 6,999 yuan. That's 1,000 yuan more than the primary level Mate 60. It has a 6.82-inch diagonal display with 1,212 multiplied 2,616 pixels resolutions and a 120 refresh rate. Protected by a super fluorescent second-generation cooling glass and a rugged Huawei body, it covers every side comprehensively. Mate 16 Pro has 12GB RAM and 2 storage options, 512GB or 1TB, and it's equipped with the Kirin 9000S chipset and supports two-way data with satellite messaging in China. This new flagship smartphone lineup is poised to refine our expectations of what a smartphone can truly achieve. Even though it's super tough, like bullet and beautiful, I still want to dress it up with our cases to make it more protective and unique.